welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you a quick little tutorial, I guess, on how to make cursive lettering connect and look all cursive-y in Cricut Design Space. I've had a lot of people ask me how to do this over the years, so I'll show you. I'm gonna make some labels to go on my jars, like flour and my sugar. So I'll show you how to connect all the letters in cursive writing and show you how to attach the labels to the jars. So let's get started. Okay, so to start, you're gonna get your text box. You're gonna type in whatever word you want to create. I need to make it bigger. So I've already chosen my font. This is Winter Festival, and this one's actually really easy to manipulate. So I will start by taking the letter spacing and decreasing it. Until all the letters pretty much line up. So that looks good right there. But you see how the U and the G don't touch. So that's when you're going to come up to your spot up here, right click and hit ungroup. Now they're all separate, so I can move each letter individually. But I like the way the G, A, R are attached. So I'm going to select those three and come down here and attach them. So then I can move them in all together. And we're just gonna move them over so that the U and G attach. So then I'll look at it. I like the way it looks. So then you're gonna come here, put a line across it, and select the whole thing. And come down here and weld it together. So now you have a whole word, it's all together, and then you can go from this corner and you can make it as big or as small as you want, or come up here, unlock this, and you can individually, do the width and the height and make it whatever size you need to make it. I'm making mine for these to be about 4.5 inches wide and about 2.2 high. And then you'll just cut it out and put it on our jars. And that's the easiest way I find to make cursive lettering in Cricut Design Space come together. But if you have, like, let's see, let's choose a different font. Let's see, something like, what's this one? Okay, something like this. And still just start with the letter spacing. And just keep clicking it down till you get to something you like. See, this one, as low as you go, you're not gonna get them all to attach, because then the G will start going into the A. So then you're just gonna, again, right click, ungroup, and then you can individually slide them over. So and sometimes they don't wanna. Yeah. And then I like the GAR, so again I'm gonna select all three, attach them, move them all together to this U, and then I will select the S, move it over just slightly. So slide the S over, and then still don't like that R, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna detach them and just ever so slightly, a little better. But that is how I make the cursive fonts all touching and make them all pretty in Design Space. Now let's go put these on our jars. So these pieces, I just had extra pieces, so on my layout I just moved my words around so that they'd fit in each spot and I could use my extra scrap pieces. So this is a good way if you're cutting out small words to use your scrap, so you're never wasting. Okay guys, so I have cut out and weeded all of my labels. This first one I already put the transfer tape on it. We're going to use the same piece of transfer tape. I've used this for a couple other projects already, so transfer tape you can use more than once and still keep sticky. So all I did, I used a Starbucks gift card, and you just slide it on, press it lightly real quick, and it's going to come off, and kind of center it. It's not totally perfect. I mean, I'm not too critical. Can kind of try to do it so you guys can see it too. And it would be a lot easier if my jars were empty, but they're not. So just take your card, rub it, especially on the edges. Just go around. And then just pull it off. And if you do get that where it doesn't fully come off, just go back, press it a little harder. And it is easier if you do go flat with it instead of pulling straight off. Do it flat against the surface. There you go. You have a label. So this is my sugar, this is my sweetener, Truvia, and brown sugar. So next we're gonna do the Truvia. And let's see. So I just, since it's folded, find the center, do half, and then half, and again, just a quick little swipe. There. And then again, just eyeball it. And these move so that you don't have to even them. Get them even there. Give it a good firm press. Now I will fast forward through the rest and then show you how they all look at the end. Okay guys, I wanted to show you this real quick. So if you can see, my transfer tape doesn't go all the way over and cover my vinyl all the way, and that's okay because it's all connected. It'll still come off and stick on. So I mean, if you accidentally cut your transfer tape too small or you're using a scrap piece, I mean, it's okay to go over. You don't want to waste and cut a whole new piece just to fit exactly. It's okay if it doesn't fit all the way, because watch. So now you see the G is hanging off, and but it still tags along because it's all attached. And then you just stick it down and smooth it out. And this is my gluten-free flour, so it's GF flour. And just the same. Just pull it off. And this one came up just a smidge. Just smooth it out. Now you have your gluten-free flour. So here you go. This is what they look like all finished. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.